Can you actually cool a box below freezing using zero electricity, just by pointing a sheet of scrap plastic at the night sky? YouTube is blowing up with these night sky radiator and passive space fridge videos right now, promising revolutionary off-grid cooling for almost no cost. Today, we're breaking down the actual science behind how this works, why it fails for some people, and pointing you to the real prototypes. Here's how the physics actually work. Everything on Earth radiates heat. Most of that heat bounces off our atmosphere and stays down here. But there's a sweet spot between 8 and 13 microns called the atmospheric window. It's a gap where heat can slip through. If you build a panel using materials that emit in that exact wavelength, like specific plastics, heat shoots straight past the sky into outer space. Outer space is minus 450 degrees. By connecting to that vast heat sink, the panel literally cools itself below the surrounding air temperature. It does all this without a single watt of power. But before you go ripping out your mini fridge, here's the catch. Humidity and clouds kill the effect. If you live in a high humidity area or it's overcast, that atmospheric window closes tightly. Water vapor in the air absorbs the infrared energy, trapping the heat near the ground and preventing the passive cooling from occurring. Also, daytime cooling is a whole different challenge. It requires specialized ultra-white coatings like barium sulfate or calcium carbonate. These coatings must block solar radiation while still venting heat. Without them, the sun's energy will overwhelm any cooling you achieve. It's a great trick for supplemental or nighttime cooling, but it's not a total replacement for a standard compressor-based fridge. If you want to see people actually mixing the ultra-white radiative paints on camera, I put the direct links in the description. Specifically, check out the work of Nighthawk and Light and Tech Ingredients. They have built some incredible working prototypes you should see. Grab those roadmap links below for more details on the physics and the DIY builds mentioned today. Hit subscribe for more honest budget technology breakdowns. I'll help you separate the science from the hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one as we explore more off-grid innovations.